It's a second attack in less than a week. Arvind Kejriwal was slapped, this time in northwest Delhi, when he was campaigning for another rather controversial Aam Aadmi Party leader, Rakhi Birla. The man who slapped him is believed to be a driver. He's also believed to be a former Aam Aadmi Party supporter. After the incident, Arvind Kejriwal is said to be on his way to Rajghat, where Ankit Tyagi was just a short while ago telling us is likely to address his supporters. Ankit is now with us for more details. Ankit, can we expect him to address his supporters once he is at Rajghat?
Well, at Rajghat, what we have, in fact, I just spoke to Arvind, and what he has said is that he is going there for the meditation. He wants to sit there and meditate for a while, and then he will be heading towards his house. Remember, this was the last of the roadshow that Arvind Kejriwal was doing in Delhi for the 7 constituencies that goes to poll on 10th. Today it was the turn of the Northwest Delhi constituency, where their former minister and MLA from the Northwest Delhi, the Rakhi Birla, is the candidate. Just when Arvind Kejriwal's convoy in this roadshow reached Sultanpuri, at the last stop of this roadshow, just before he was addressing the crowd, there was a few people, those who came towards Arvind Kejriwal. The person who has in fact slapped him is an auto driver. He came towards Arvind Kejriwal with a garland in his hand, and when Arvind Kejriwal got down to, bent down to get the garland, he was slapped hard by this person. It was a ferocious attack. In fact, his specs fell off as soon as he was hit. Then the supporters and the policemen, those who were accompanying Arvind Kejriwal, they jumped and they caught this person. And when they were trying to put him into a police vehicle, at that point of time, Aam Aadmi Party volunteers and supporters, those who were around, they thrashed this person. We yet don't know the identity of the attacker, but the police has taken him. He has been detained, and his questioning is on as of now. Remember, this is just 3 days back when Arvind was also campaigning in the South Delhi area for their candidate Devinder Sherawat. Even at that time, a person had punched him. He was, in fact, unhappy with Arvind Kejriwal's stand on the Muzaffarnagar riots, and he was punched at that rally. Just after Arvind was slapped today, even after that, he continued his speech. He said that, "Let people attack me." It is because the political parties are now little worried about our presence, the kind of support that I'm getting from the people, and precisely that is why it seems that they are attacking us. He also said that he will continue his campaign, he will continue meeting people, and there is no way these attacks will deter him.
All right, Ankit, thanks very much for all those details. Perhaps it is time for Arvind Kejriwal to review his security. But again, he is a political leader who wants to ensure that he remains approachable.